What's going on, guys? It's Jesse Danger. Welcome back to another video. Today we have another SnackCrate. Before we start, I have a confession to make. We already know what country this is from. Got a little bit excited and opened it before time. So we already know it's from Israel. Yeah, this one's packaged really well. I don't know what snacks we have though, so that will be a surprise.
We're going to take it one at a time. You read the description. I'll open it.
Alright. Well, I want to put it up to the camera. Bisley falafel. Get the taste of Israel's favorite dish in crispy noodle form. These crunchy snacks will satisfy your munchies with their addicting texture. Okay, cool.
Okay.
Wow,
They look like chow mein noodles.
Yeah, yes.
yeah, they look like dried chow mein. 3, 2, 1.
That tastes like a falafel.
It definitely tastes like a
They
waffle.
do, and they're crunchy.
I
I love them.
I like it.
They're
It's enough thumbs up for me.
middle for me.
I'm going to go 2 thumbs up.
Okay. Right. Bisley Smoky Wheat Snack. Wheaty snacks with a flavor louder than their crunch. With flavors such as barbecue or smoky, these will take your taste buds on a zesty trip. So we got smoky. A flavor louder than their crunch.
That's going to be interesting. That was weird. Little rings.
Oh, okay, just take the whole bag. 3, 2, 1.
I like that.
I like those. That's good. Thumbs up.
That's really good.
So far, well done.
It's like
Israel.
a barbecue. It's totally barbecue.
Yeah, it's totally. Okay. Bamba peanut puffs. A delicious peanut flavored puffed corn snack that is highly regarded all over Israel. They melt in your mouth with every bite.
Okay.
I don't know.
Not sure about that description. Really?
I handed to you one.
Interesting.
It smells like peanut butter.
Weird. Yep.
Yeah. 3, 2, 1. Whoa. Whoa.
No, not a fan of that one.
Ew, thumbs down.
That
That.
just sucked all the moisture out of my mouth.
Oh yeah. Those are so. Okay, the texture is what did it for me on that one. That was.
Yeah, that was terrible. The flavors.
Okay.
The flavor's like cheap peanut butter, and the texture's like
Weird. Okay.
old puffy Cheetos
Old puffy Cheetos.
that have been in a gym sock.
Ew. Okay. Click bites. These tasty bite-sized treats are often given to well-behaved Israeli children. We've included either carrot, cornflake, cookie varieties. They're all equally delicious. We got
That looks like the package makes it look like
Oh, it looks like
Cocoa
chocolate.
Krispies.
I was gonna say chocolate frosted flakes.
Oh, Cocoa Krispies. Okay. Dude, you're doing an interesting job.
Wow.
Wow.
Super tiny. I need a couple.
Well, it says right on them cornflakes.
True.
That's a They're like prehistoric cornflakes that have been like in stone.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Nope.
It's like little circles of the crunch candy bar.
Yeah, that's why you don't like them, but that's why I like them.
Thumbs up. And that's exactly why Mom doesn't like them.
Yeah.
My mom is not a fan of crisp rice.
Nestle Crunch.
Yeah. Apparently, Click is a very popular candy bar in Israel.
Can we open
Click.
something?
Okay, Click in milk cream. This sweet, crispy bar filled with decadent, creamy milk, then coated with a generous layer of whitened milk chocolate. Okay.
Cool.
I guess.
Some help?
No,
I feel like you do.
I think I got it.
Okay.
It's an interesting inside.
Semi-hesitant. This is like a big old Whopper.
Yeah.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh. Mmm.
It is kind of like a Whopper.
I'm not a huge fan of white chocolate. I'm gonna say middle. In between.
I liked it.
Okay. I'm kind of like,
It's about 3/4.
yeah.
3/4 up.
I don't need to finish it though. I'm alright.
Okay. Something that I'm very excited to try.
Yeah, you are.
Oodles. These sweet, tiny, ball-shaped fruit chews are popular throughout Israel. We've include a few of our favorite flavors for you to try. It doesn't say included, it says include. I kid you not.
Here, I'm gonna.
So we have blue raspberry, what looks like a different one, and green apple.
What
Okay,
looks
so
like a
let's try
different
them all
one?
now. Let's do it separately.
Okay.
You know.
Let's each try one,
Okay.
Oh, okay.
and then we'll switch.
All right.
Open that. Okay. good.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
I got it. I'll try green
So
apple.
what do I have?
I
I
don't know.
have tiny fruit chews.
That's what they are. It's what we are.
Okay.
These look like they're gonna be, these sound like they're gonna be like chew nerds. To me.
Okay.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. Yeah. Thumbs up. Green apple. Green
I like
apple.
Mm.
Okay, green apple are good.
So are those.
Blue raspberries.
Oh, this looks like a mix.
Yeah.
Ooh. 3, 2, 1.
Those chips next.
I'm still chewing on the other ones.
Mm-hmm. These are good. Okay.
Yeah, the blue raspberry's not as good.
Mm.
Those are really good though.
These are Torah oodles.
Yeah.
All right.
Have some Bible candy.
3, 2, 1. Yeah. Blue raspberry flavor isn't as strong.
I
Okay.
definitely like the mixed fruity ones.
And the green apple.
Then the green apple, and then
I agree.
the raspberry.
All 3 of them are a thumbs up. So oodles, good job.
Their oodles are fun.
I was gonna say that, and then I was like, that's so nerdy.
Good thing you said it, because
Well done, sir.
It's reserved for a dad joke.
oh, there's 3, enough for each of us.
Here, I got those.
Chocolate coin, the sweetest currency you can find. These foil wrapped chocolates are a traditional gift during Hanukkah.
Oh, what?
Okay then.
I'm gonna take the little one and give you all the big ones.
I wanted a little one. Oh, they got a. I can't remember the name of this. It's a. I'll put it on the screen. I can't remember the name of it, but it's one of the candles they light during Hanukkah.
And it's got a Hebrew writing on it.
Yep, and this one has a ship. And on the other side, Hebrew writing.
Gosh, I know the name. It's just literally the name of the thing is right on the tip of my tongue.
Is it a menorah?
Menorah. That's what it is. Good job, Dad.
I was just giving you a chance to figure it out.
It just came to you, didn't it?
Yep.
Yeah. Way to be honest. I'm still unwrapping mine. Hang on.
You're so slow.
You're so slow.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
It's exactly what chocolate coins taste like.
Yep. But it's decent quality though.
Okay. Unless you're in Israel, go to C's. Go to C's Candies and get chocolate coins there. These are okay. These are okay. I can tolerate these, but C's is better. That's all.
The points are just.
That's all I'm saying. C's is better. I'm just giving my opinion here. That's what we're doing.
Mm-hmm.
We're tasting candy, giving our
Oh,
opinion.
there's 2 packages of them. Cool.
Yeah. Go.
Chocolate log. These.
I wonder what
What you want when you're out camping.
That's not what anybody wants when they're on camping.
That's what happens when you eat too much spicy food.
Oh my god. Jesse.
These.
Dairy, too much
Okay,
dairy.
okay.
That's
You're
not
gonna
eating too
have
much
to-
dairy.
You're gonna have to dump those jokes. Oh.
That was crappy, Dad. Alright.
Such nerds.
As you can see, we're fully grown adults here. These milk chocolate bars are made using a special technique that gives them the appearance of real wooden logs.
Okay.
I think you need to open it all the way so we can see the log. And you need to smell it.
Oh. It does.
That
Looks
is
like
cool.
a
It
tree
actually
trunk.
does.
That's
look like a
very
log.
cool. Okay, looks wise, this is my favorite. This is awesome. Much easier to break than I thought that would be.
Cool.
Well, I got a splinter.
Jesse got a splinter.
No, it looks like a log this
Oh.
big.
Gosh.
I got.
The busted ass log is what you got. Here, I'll trade you.
That's when you don't swing the axe quite right. Oh.
Looks
Weird.
cool.
It.
It's just.
I'm not a big fan.
Not for me.
It
It
looks.
tastes like old chocolate.
Yep.
Yeah. It looks very cool though. So it does get extra points for looks.
Definitely full points. Here, hand me the wrapper, please, babe. Thank you.
Alright, our last click item.
Aww.
Click Choco Kid. This candy bar is made up of silky milk chocolate mixed together with crunchy bits of puffed rice.
Kids. Oh no, not kids. Darn it. It's really cooking.
Bits of puffed rice. This confection's texture is definitely something to call home about.
I don't even need to try this.
Oh yeah, it's got puffed rice.
Don't
Okay.
even need
It's
to
okay,
try
we'll try it.
You
Always enjoy the junk out of it.
party pooper.
You know it.
How dare you?
Because I hate it.
I can see that. Just what the.
It's a challenge for him opening packages. He's really package.
Unfriendly.
This is
You don't even need to make things child-proof for
Do
Jesse.
you want me to help?
Here, take that.
Oh
piece.
yeah, no. Mm-mm.
That's not the puffed rice. It's like cream that needs it. Oh, I want that open. There you go. Good boy. Oh, mine broke. Okay,
You broke it.
3, 2, 1. I don't like this.
I like it.
You like it?
Mhm.
It's okay. It's not my favorite. I give it a
Very
middle.
creamy.
Mm-hmm.
Real chocolate and creamy. It's really good.
Alright, this is the last candy bar.
Oh, fire.
Pizekman. This popular treat features crisp and airy wafers filled with luscious hazelnut cream, then dipped in milk chocolate. I don't know why it's so hard for me to say the word wafer. That was a struggle, man. It's like my mouth wouldn't let me say it. It was like, no,
It's Kit Kat.
Sort of. Okay, Kit Kat with a hazelnut. It's got a basketball on the front.
It does have a basketball. Toss mine.
Well, I gotta drop it. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Oh. It's taller Kit Kat. Kit Kat. It's like you said, it's a Kit Kat with the hazelnut wafer.
I like it.
Ooh, it tastes like coffee.
It does taste like coffee.
I like it too.
Yeah, that's really
It is
good.
very good.
It's really good, actually.
Thumbs up.
Well done, Israel.
Alright. The last thing, I think.
Fluffy Tuffy.
Fluffy Tuffy. Chewy taffies that come in several different tangy, fruity flavors. The intense and aromatic flavor sets these candies apart from them all.
Intense and aromatic.
So we have strawberry.
In the purple package. Okay.
What? Are these also strawberry?
Are you sure this is strawberry?
It looks like strawberry and fried.
Honey, just because that's a picture of a strawberry doesn't mean that's what it is.
Well,
Let's open them up. Huh?
They're not artificially colored, so you can't
Ah,
tell.
crap.
That's gonna be fun.
It's vanilla.
vanilla.
What does that say?
I can't open mine. What? It says Fluffy Tuffy.
No, what flavor?
Honey.
I don't know.
Okay, well, we'll just give it a
Oh,
shot.
it does say strawberry. In very, very, very tiny print.
This one
Okay.
doesn't say strawberry.
It does say strawberry. That is strawberry flavor.
Huh.
Right there.
So they have different colors, but they're all strawberry.
Yeah, they're all strawberry.
Well, that's confusing.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. Huh. It's very, very, very tough. Taffy.
That's why it's Tuffy.
I guess so. But then it also says fluffy, so those two kind of cancel each other's out. It's an oxymoron.
I like it.
Good.
It's not as potent as Laffy Taffy.
I like it too.
But it's very similar to the Laffy Taffy.
Yeah.
Flavor of it.
I say thumbs.
It's about a 3/4 for me.
I say it's a thumbs up. I like it.
Cool.
All right.
Okay, that was everything we got in the box. I hope you guys enjoyed that. People from Israel, or just people that know more than we do.
Which is anything.
If we pronounce something wrong, or if you have any tips on how we should eat any of these, please leave it down in the comments below. Dad, what was your favorite thing?
It was either the chocolate
Hazelnut.
one. I also like the barbecued smoky rings.
Okay, what was your least favorite?
Hands down, it was this one.
Ah, ooh.
I think we all agreed on that one.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
The gym socks chips.
Yeah. They just it was like eating a dessicant.
Okay,
Such
so-
a fluid out of your mouth.
Ooh,
So
that's
that
a
was-
really good word.
That was
Did
our
you hear that word?
Mhm.
That was a great word.
That was all of our least favorites. My favorite was probably the oodles,
Oh, those were good, yeah.
or this, the Fluffy Tuffy.
Really?
Which he's still eating.
Because you were 3/4 before.
But it's getting better as it goes.
I see.
No, it's a thumbs up. It's a
Okay,
Tuffy.
cool.
Yeah, he did.
Alright. That's my grandma.
She wants you to subscribe.
Subscribe, like, share this video with your friends and family. Leave any other video suggestions you want me to do in the comments below. And I'll see you guys in the next one.